How to rebalance your trading portfolio before year-end. As 2025 draws to a close on December 16th, rebalancing your trading portfolio is essential to manage risk and align with your goals amid volatile Forex, CFD, and crypto markets. FXCM, a leading online Forex and CFD broker since 1999, provides powerful tools to help traders execute this process efficiently on platforms like TradingStation, MetaTrader 4, and TradingView integration. 2000 Steps to rebalance. 1. Review your target allocation. Define your desired mix, such as 50% major Forex pairs, e.g., EUR/USD, 30% indices, CFDs, and 20% commodities or crypto. This reflects your risk tolerance and horizon. 2. Assess current holdings. Use FXCM's TradingStation for real-time statements, volume data, and trader sentiment to calculate current percentages across your positions. 3. Spot deviations rebalance. If any asset class shifts by 5% or more, common in fast-moving FX markets. 4. Execute adjustments. Sell overweight positions, e.g., overperforming pairs, and buy underweighted ones. Direct new deposits or profits to lagging assets for gradual balance. Leverage FXCM's tight spreads and fast execution. 5. Consider tax implications. In taxable accounts, apply tax loss harvesting by closing losing CFDs or Forex positions to offset gains. Consult a tax advisor. Rules vary by jurisdiction. Prioritize trades in non-tax advantaged setups carefully. 6. Monitor ongoing schedule annual reviews, or use FXCM's advanced charting and alerts for threshold-based checks. Benefits with FXCM. Rebalancing enforces discipline, controls exposure in volatile assets, and promotes sell high, buy low. FXCM's award-winning platforms, 24/5 support, and tools like real volume enhance precision. For active traders, explore copy trading via partnerships for diversified strategies. Sign up for a demo at fxcm.com to practice risk-free. Always trade responsibly. Consult professionals for personalized advice.